Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn a beautiful English word through a real story from history. The word is appreciate. Let's begin. Meet Marie Curie. She was a great scientist. She lived more than 100 years ago. Marie did something amazing that changed the world. Her story will help us understand what appreciate means. Marie was born in Poland in 1867. Her family was poor. But Marie loved learning. She studied hard every day. She read books by candlelight at night. Even when life was difficult, she never stopped learning. She worked very hard to follow her dreams. Marie moved to France to study science. There, she made a big discovery. She found something new called radioactivity. This was a new type of energy from special rocks. Nobody knew about this before. Marie worked day and night in her small laboratory. She tested thousands of rocks to understand this energy. Marie worked for many years. Sometimes she felt tired. Sometimes experiments failed. But she never gave up. She believed her work was important. She showed great patience. After 4 long years, she finally proved her discovery was real. Her hard work changed science forever. When people learned about Marie's work, they were amazed. Scientists from around the world said her work was wonderful. They appreciated what she did. To appreciate means to recognize the value of something. People saw how important her discovery was. They thanked her for her hard work. Marie received many awards. She won the Nobel Prize 2 times. She was the first woman to win this great prize. She was also the first woman to become a professor at the University of Paris. People appreciated her intelligence and dedication. They gave her these honors to show respect for her work. Marie also appreciated other people. She thanked her husband Pierre, who helped her with research. She appreciated her teachers who taught her science. She helped young scientists learn and grow. Marie understood that success comes from working together. She showed gratitude to everyone who supported her. So, what does appreciate mean? It has 3 simple meanings. First, it means to be thankful for something. Second, it means to understand the value of something. Third, it means to respect someone's work or effort. When we appreciate, we recognize what is good and important. Marie Curie's life shows us the power of appreciation. She worked hard, and people appreciated her. She also appreciated others who helped her. This made her life meaningful. Appreciation connects people and makes the world better. Thank you for learning with Wordscience today. We hope you enjoyed this story about Marie Curie and the word appreciate. Remember to appreciate the good things in your life and the people around you. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Keep learning English with Wordscience. See you in the next video.